In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your iPhone screen from turning off. So by default, your iPhone screen is going to turn off automatically after a certain period. Now, if for some reason you want to completely disable this and stop your iPhone screen from turning off, then in order to do this, you need to head over to the settings app on your phone. And the first thing we need to do is scroll down and click on battery. And you need to make sure this low power mode is turned off. Now, this is important as if you have low power mode on, we're not going to be able to do the next step. So once you've disabled this feature, click back on settings and then scroll down and click on display and brightness, and then scroll down until you see this auto lock feature. So what we're going to do is click on this like so. You can see at the moment mine's set to 2 minutes, and in order to stop your iPhone screen from turning off, you need to make sure this is set to never. And now if we head back over to the home screen on your phone, the screen now is basically going to stay on, and unless you manually lock this yourself, then your iPhone screen is just going to stay on like so. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.